Hello, this is Mr. Agbamu Idonogo. In this video, I want to show you how you can integrate GeoGebra into PowerPoint. So this is the PowerPoint interface, and we all know we always use PowerPoint when doing most of our teaching in our classroom, mathematics classroom, and other science classroom. And sometimes you need GeoGebra to do some of your demonstration. So I want to show you how you can integrate GeoGebra into PowerPoint, and it will go well, and your work will be easy for you as you teach. All right, so this is my PowerPoint now, and take note, if you want to integrate GeoGebra into PowerPoint, you must have this add-in. You can see this place, these add-ins in my PowerPoint. And take note, you must make sure your PowerPoint is a more recent version. We look at my system now. Let me go to more. Under account, you will see my PowerPoint is 2024. So this is more recent version. So 2024 version. Let's go back. So with that, you will see this add-in in your home. You will see add-in, or if you go to insert, you will see get add-ins. So that is that. All right, so let's see how we can add GeoGebra into our system. Now click on add-in, just click on it. Make sure you have internet. You can see my system, there's internet connection here. So just search for GeoGebra. Just type in Geo. See, as I'm typing, it's coming out already because it's something that is already there in the system. So as you type on GeoGebra, just click on enter. You see it's already appeared. So just click on it, drag it into your system, then into your slide. It will just enter automatically as long as the network is very good. So let me close this one that I don't need. Let me close this. Let me close this. So this is GeoGebra. You can see it's up and running in PowerPoint. Let me increase this to my slide length. Let me increase this to my slide length. So this is GeoGebra up and running. Let me create another slide. Okay, let me get a new slide. Let me use this. Okay, so let me put this slide to be the first slide. Let me title it. Let's take, for example, I want to teach a topic. Let me just take a common topic. Let's say area. Let me say area of a square, or let me say area of a rectangle. Let's assume this is the topic you want to teach. All right, so that is your slide 1. So slide 2, I'm using GeoGebra to do my demonstration. So with this, you can go to presentation mode. Let's enter presentation mode. You see what will happen now. Just make sure you have a good internet connection. You see, GeoGebra is already up in presentation mode. If you go to the next slide, you see this is my first slide, area of a rectangle. Then go to the next slide, you can see it, and no, I only have 2 slides, so that is the end of slide. Okay, so you can do your work here in your class, do your demonstration with your student. So since I'm talking of area of a rectangle, I may not really need this as this. Let me remove this as this. Just right click, click on as this. So as this is gone. You see you are in presentation mode now. You are teaching, you can be doing it in the class, and your students are seeing you in PowerPoint in real time like this without you working from GeoGebra app. So you can see this is I want to create a rectangle now. This is the 4 side of the polygon I'm clicking now. So you can see it. You are doing it like this in class. Your students are watching and you are seeing everything. You can change the name of all this side. Let me call here Let me rename this place to be L. Just rename. Let it be L. That is the length. You can rename this place to be the breadth. Let me rename it to be B. Okay. So we can move this one. You can hide this one. Just show label. Let it go. You can show this label. Let it go. You can put this side B. I want it to be B. Okay, because of this breadth I put here. Let me use capital letter here. Let me rename this. Let me rename it to capital B. Then I'll name this one small b. Let me use small b here. Yes. So this is my rectangle. If you want to animate the area, you can animate it if you like. So all I just want us to get in this video is you can actually integrate GeoGebra into your PowerPoint and do your work as you move on in your class. So this is one thing you can do. You can do other things. You can do other demonstration you like. You can bring in the area of the rectangle by clicking it. Area is there. You can count this box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. That is 5 times 3. You can see the area is 15. So you can do that. You can do other things you like. Depend on the lesson you have with your students. And that is that. Don't forget to integrate GeoGebra into your PowerPoint. Just have a good internet and make sure your PowerPoint is a more recent version, and from there you can do your work, and that is that. So I've left the presentation mode now so you can see my normal slide. You can add more slide, go to another slide, add new slide, do anything you want to do, depend on you. Save your work. Just make sure you are having internet if you want to integrate GeoGebra into PowerPoint. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Do have a nice day.